This is a solar ship made of solar matter of futurist composition of the Kronos, but also other called civilization, the Permuthos, taken by Hugo in San Salvador de Jujuy, Argentina. A solar ship, she has inside of herself the proper power, but regulates to the place. Here already we can see it, on the mountain, and you can appreciate their materiality, at least inside the concepts of the dense thing, the compact thing, the solid thing, and their dimensions. Besides, the difference of the previous picture, being the same ship now doesn't meet, neither it reflects light, it turned off their generators of light powers. Here in the approach, you can appreciate better the booth, for this way to say it, of the cold plasmatic matter rugosa, where inside the same one, there are some hundreds beings of the crew, beings similar as us, with the only intelligence difference, leaving the same one everything the rest in concepts. Already in this instantaneous one, the same ship takes the solar energy power, the reflected one, and it meets it to the same sun again, and one can see the light phenomenon in an impressive vision of light. Hugo, meanwhile, goes registering the images, becoming him same also of the same light power. This light power of the same sun, next to the power of the ship and of the body or matter of Hugo, they form a single atomic heap that then you can already perceive in the beach of the big river of Jujuy, Argentina. As you can see here, is such a big energy power that it doesn't exist in the earth, something able to generate what you see here. It proves overwhelming that this is not anything terrestrial, because nothing can generate this way such a solar power. And then we already see to the ship leaving to the one wired nearer. In the same process, Hugo has also become a level of power of light, like to be in agreement in the powers. To be able to take out this level of picture, they will imagine that nobody can come out or to be lives after such a big solar power in front of you. This already happens in another place, where it was summoned and mentioned Hugo, this time to make with the ships of the civilization Frasena, both made of matter costume of that culture level. The same ones don't have an appreciable weight in the terrestrial thing, about 50 approached grams each other, but inside each one some 1,000 people can be, according to that technology. Both they move in a coordinated way, at the same time, speed and rhythm. They don't separate one or the other one, and they travel this way in the place. They belong to one self-contact program toward Hugo, but both are different in their functions. This is the clearest one. It's the called Akikara, at least in the code of names of that day, the one which when separating the other one, she moves for the trees and for several places, while you could take the pictures and you can appreciate in certain approaches what you could compare with windows. Besides, kind of pleasant solid semi that for a compact terrestrial portion could be like a bait or rosy, completely live red meat that this civilization calls Elisha. For the code of that day, the other ship was called Supimara, the one which in the approach we can also see its Elisha, that is meat, of which more meat is extracted, as a matter of one that is made the human race and the animals, is as saying the meat mother, where this ship takes a charge of creating, to distribute, to disseminate, and to take out these to many beings, not alone in the earth. The ships, the George Adamski, For those who have known the one deceased contactee, George Adamski, in this case his spirit, mind and consciousness, it was connected with Hugo, and during several months it guided him to have the same contact to the people from Venus, to obtain the same pictures of the same ships, like we see here, obtained this time in Argentina. It fits to clarify that there were many depictions of this fact, but here so long we show some of those sequences. For example, we see in this video image the filmings and pictures of Adamski, and here those of Hugo. It is the same ship, even with the own George Adamski inside the ship guiding Hugo in the focuses. There is an impressive presence of another ship type here of Frasena, the Furana, also taken in Argentina. This is among the first pictures that Hugo took,